So what I will try to do today is I'm going to create a new scratch, okay, and then just do one example of generating different products when I click on one button, okay. So I want to click make a button. Let's say all right, let's name it fruits. So let's pick a color, and then let's pick a name. Let's set be fruits. Okay, fruits. So let's make it bigger. Okay, fruits. So this is my button. So when I click on this button, I'm gonna have different fruits pop up here. Okay. Let's make it smaller. 50. All right. And then let's see, I'm gonna have my fruits pop up here. So here I'm gonna add fruits. It's gonna be a different sprite. So click on here. Actually, you know what? Let's add what we have. So let's look up for fruits. Let's type fruit. All right. So I have apple, and then so it's gonna be my fruit, right? By clicking on this button, I have to generate different fruits every time. So how are we gonna do that? We need to actually add more fruits under the same sprite. Okay, we just need to add fruits in form of fruits, and I need to name them not apple but numbers, because we'll be generating randomize them, right? So randomization doesn't happen with specific names, so we have to name them with numbers. So apple will be number 1. Let's add more. Let's type fruit, and then we add banana. So banana is gonna be number 2. So these are costumes, by the way, same sprite but different costumes. Okay. Let's try again. All right, internet is kind of slow. Yeah. So fruit, add banana. Banana is gonna be number 2. So you see, number 1, number 2. Add more fruit. All right, so I'm adding spot. So let me add fruits and then come back. Okay, so I'm basically adding the same fruits on onto the same sprite as a different costume. So I added 5 different fruits. Okay, fruits or vegetables. So 1, name them with numbers. Apple is 1, banana is 2, watermelon is 3, strawberry is 4, and orange is going to be 5. Doesn't really matter which fruit named what number, since we're gonna be randomly generating this fruit. So how are we gonna randomize the costume? Okay, first of all, we can do this. So under the fruit button, we can generate when I click on this sprite, I'm gonna make it bigger so you can see it. When this sprite is clicked, which sprite? The fruit sprite, this button. When it's clicked, what's gonna happen is it is going to switch costume to random. But how I'm going to make it random costume? You can go you can do this. So we need to do costume. We need to yeah. So since costumes are numbers, we can just do this. We can get random under math operations. Okay, let's see, where is random? Where is random? Yeah, random numbers. So costume 2, random from 1 to we have 5 fruits, right? So when you guys click on this button, it's gonna switch to different costumes. But which costume? Costume of this, not the buttons costume. So I have to put it here, and then in here I'm gonna use broadcast. Let me see if it's copied. Yeah. So here I'm gonna use broadcast. Let's see, broadcast. Okay. We're gonna name the message random fruit. Random fruit. So when I click on the sprite, it's gonna message random fruit. When I receive random fruit, all right, I'm going to switch costume to random numbers. So this is how it works. You see, different things. Esma, where's Esma? Right there. So now we have this. We have the sprite for fruits, right? We could have the same another sprite and then name it vegetables. So let's add a vegetable. Let's see, food. Okay. So for vegetables, I have to download the veg because there's no vegetables here. Okay. So I'm gonna go to Google and then look up for vegetables. So let me download them first and I'll come back, guys. So let me download this one vegetable. Vegetables. All right, search it up. And then I have vegetables. So let me go one by one. I'm gonna go with first. All right. Let's look up vegetable names. All right. So all right, let me download this image. So I'll save this image on downloads. Then I'm gonna go to Photopea. Okay. On Photopea, I'm going to add this image and then just crop out every single vegetable separately. So that's the best I can do right now. Now, let's see what we have. So we have potato. Okay. Control Shift Win S allows you to save the images. One. And let's go back here. Paste. All right. Let me pause it, guys. Hold on. Paint. So you're gonna paste it on your paint. And then you save it in the downloads and name it potato. Potato. All right. Now go back to the Pia. Get another one, tomato, and put it in the paint. And this time you're gonna save it as tomato. And just keep adding it. So I'm gonna pause it and then add all the vegetables. So I downloaded a few vegetables. I'm gonna upload them here. Okay, I'll start with pepper. Let be pepper. And then I add another one. So I name pepper 1. Actually, you know what? Let me name it different numbers. Actually, 1. Yeah, let's name it 1. It's okay. And then I add another one. Second one is chili. Name it 2. Now I'm gonna add another vegetable. Onions. Let's name it 3. And I'm adding another one. Let's say eggplant, and then name it 4. Add another one. Tomato, and then name it 5. I'm actually made one extra vegetable, but that's fine. Doesn't matter how many you have. So potato will be number 6. 6. Okay. So you're gonna do the same thing here. Let's make the sprite smaller. Vegetables. Okay, and this one, let's name it fruit. So fruit. This is vegetables. Let's make vegetables smaller. 50%. All right, let's see. This is a shelf of the fridge. So if you guys drag this code and then put it under the vegetable, it's gonna do the same thing. So here. Okay, Esma, this is for you. So look, you click on fruit, it picks different vegetables and fruits every time. All right. So if you attach it, like look, this and this are triggered by the broadcast. How do we do the broadcast? When you click on this fruit, when you click on here, it's gonna broadcast a message. When they receive a message, then they're gonna switch the costume. Okay, that's how it works. So if you have like several like things on the shelf, it's gonna every time generate new content for your fridge, and then the rest is programming again. So do things one at a time.